It's a privilege to welcome you all to the launch Specialized Care Clinics. Honored to welcome Dr. Sharan Prakash Patil sir. We're pleased to welcome Mr. Rizwan Arshad and Mr. Abdul Wajid. Is Mr. Feroz Abdullah. To welcome Ms. Renu Gopalakrishnan. Quiz Dr. Bishnu to please come on to the stage. To Ritu Garg, Chief Growth and Innovation Officer, Fortis Healthcare. Every meaningful beginning in our culture is marked by lighting of the ceremonial lamp. Launch of our specialized care clinics.
Fortis Bengaluru has always been in the forefront of all the clinical sciences and all the disciplines that excellent in terms of clinical outcomes. And when it comes to urology, gynaecology and robotic urology and kidney transplants, any bigger name than Dr. Mohan and his team at Bangalore. The urology team has in Bangalore and Karnataka, I think the entire concept has been designed.
A man problem, or it is a woman problem, or it is a urinary leak problem, we may be able to provide mobile lithotripsy in a 100-kilometer radius across state of Karnataka and adjoining states. Because it needs a lot of consultants to be at the same place, we are trying to see to it that the patient time, especially with the traffic in Bangalore, is minimum amount of time is used for maximum input so that solution can be found in the day the patient attends the OPD.
We are introducing now the Restorative Gynaecology Clinic is something called MNRF. It is a monopolar non-ablative radio frequency device, which is hardly 8-minute OPD setting, no downtime. Patient goes back to what they were doing, and within 4 to 6 settings, we can see the result for mild urinary incontinence.
The launch of urology brochure.
The Man Clinic, Incontinence Clinic, Mobile Lithotripsy Services and Aesthetic Gynaecology Clinic by Fortis Healthcare here in this vibrant city of Bengaluru. Healthcare today is not just about treating illness. It is about anticipating needs, removing stigma, improving quality of life. The launch of this specialized clinic represents exactly the vision. I extend my best wishes to Fortis Healthcare.
And Fortis is leaving no stone unturned to see that the best technology in healthcare is here at the doorstep. So for the common man of Bangalore, for Karnataka, as well as the IT ecosystem that is there, which requires also high-end healthcare.
So my huge compliments to the entire team in Bangalore to make this huge cohesive ecosystem. So when you create these spaces which are the answer, where you have respect, you have dignity, you have clinical excellence, nearer to the homes with the expansion of our network, as Dr. Panigrahi pointed out, we are hoping to have more number of beds, more number of hospitals, and be closer to everyone's home within Bangalore.
We're deeply honored to have in our midst Dr. Sharan Prakash Patil sir. Patience to share her experience and journey with us. Few of our felicitations.
The establishment of these specialized clinics is a major step health concerns with dignity, discretion and clinical excellence. I would also like to thank all the facility directors along with their team members of all the units for coming in and gracing this occasion. Once again, thank you all for your presence.